Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Emma and today we are going to talk about ordering food at a restaurant.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi Emma, do you like restaurants?
Yes, I do. I enjoy eating at restaurants.
Me too. What kind of food do you like?
I like pasta and chicken.
That sounds delicious. I like burgers and pizza.
Pizza is very popular.
Yes, many people love pizza.
Do you go to restaurants often?
Sometimes, I usually go on weekends.
I also go on weekends with my family.
Restaurants are nice places to relax.
Yes, and we can try different foods.
But it's true.
Do you prefer small restaurants or big restaurants?
I like small restaurants because they are quiet.
I understand. Big restaurants can be noisy.
Yes, sometimes they are very busy.
But busy restaurants often have good food.
That is true too. Let's talk about arriving at a restaurant.
Okay.
First, we enter the restaurant.
Then a worker says hello.
Yes, and sometimes they ask how many people.
That is a common question.
If I'm alone, I say one person.
And if I am with family, I say 4 people.
Very good.
Then the worker shows us a table.
Yes, we sit down and look at the menu.
Menus have many kinds of food.
Sometimes it is difficult to choose.
I agree, everything looks good.
Do you read the menu carefully?
Yes, especially the prices.
That is smart. What do you usually drink at restaurants?
I usually drink water or juice.
I often drink lemonade.
Lemonade is refreshing.
Yes, especially in summer.
Do you order dessert?
Sometimes I do.
What dessert do you like?
I like ice cream and cake.
Oh, I love chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake is amazing.
Yes, it is very sweet and delicious.
Let's practice ordering food.
Great idea.
I can say, I would like a burger, please.
Very polite.
Another sentence is, can I have some water?
Many people use that sentence.
Yes, it is simple and useful.
I can say, I would like chicken and rice.
Excellent.
What if I do not understand the menu?
You can ask, what do you recommend?
That is a very useful sentence.
Yes, restaurant workers often help customers. Let's learn some restaurant vocabulary.
Okay.
The word menu means the food list.
Example, please look at the menu.
Very good.
Another word is waiter.
A waiter brings food to the table.
Example, the waiter is very friendly.
Nice example.
What about bill?
The bill shows how much money we pay.
Example, can we have the bill, please?
Excellent.
These words are very important.
Let's talk about favorite restaurant foods.
Okay. What is your favorite meal?
I love grilled chicken with rice.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, and very tasty.
I like pasta with tomato sauce.
Pasta is always a good choice.
I agree.
Do you eat spicy food?
A little, but not too much.
Me too. Very spicy food is difficult for me.
Same here.
Pronunciation practice time.
Great.
The word restaurant can be difficult.
Yes, many learners find it hard.
We say restaurant.
Restaurant.
Very good.
Another word is menu.
Menu.
Nice pronunciation.
Have you ever gone to a fancy restaurant?
Yes, one time for a birthday dinner.
Wow, how was it?
It was beautiful and quiet.
That sounds nice.
The food was very good too.
Fancy restaurants can be expensive.
Yes, that is true.
I usually prefer simple restaurants.
Me too. Simple places feel comfortable.
Let's talk about restaurant problems.
Okay?
Sometimes the food is cold.
Yes, that can happen.
Sometimes the order is wrong.
Then we must speak politely.
Exactly.
We can say, "Excuse me, this is not my order."
Very polite and clear.
Good communication is important.
I agree. Let's learn a little grammar.
Great idea.
We often use would like in restaurants.
Example, I would like some soup.
Would like sounds polite.
Yes, more polite than I want.
Another example, I would like a salad.
Very good.
We also use can I have.
Example, can I have some tea?
Excellent.
These expressions are very common.
What about you, listeners?
What food do you order at restaurants?
Please write your favorite food in the comments.
We would love to read your answers.
And if you enjoy our podcast, please like and subscribe.
Thank you for supporting the channel.
Let's continue our conversation.
Okay.
Do you like eating outside or inside restaurants?
I like eating outside when the weather is nice.
Me too. Fresh air is wonderful.
Yes, especially in the evening.
Some restaurants have beautiful outdoor tables.
That sounds relaxing.
It really is. Do you share food with friends?
Yes, sometimes we share pizza.
Sharing food is fun.
Yes, and we can try different dishes.
Exactly.
My friends always order fries,
Fries are very popular.
especially with burgers.
That is true. Let's practice a short restaurant conversation.
Great idea.
Hello, can I take your order?
Yes, I would like chicken and rice, please.
What would you like to drink?
I would like orange juice.
Anything else?
No, thank you.
Excellent.
Job. Thank you, that was fun.
Restaurants are great places to practice English.
Yes, because we use many simple sentences.
We ask questions and answer politely.
That helps our speaking skills.
Listening is important too.
Yes, we must understand the waiter.
Practice helps us improve.
Absolutely.
Today we learned many useful restaurant words.
Yes, we learned menu, bill, and waiter.
We also practiced polite English expressions.
Like, I would like.
And can I have?
These are very important for daily English.
Keep practicing them at home.
Repeat the sentences many times.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
We hope you learned useful English today.
Keep learning and keep practicing.
English becomes easier every day.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.